Alrighty, today going fishing. Oh, that's cool. I love when that happens. This just came out of the eyes. Okay, going fishing today on the river. I got tons of weights and some new hooks. Doing 3 rods today. I'm doing a popping cork, which is probably my all-time successful rig setup. So we're doing a popping cork. We're doing a drop shot hook with some split shot sinkers. That'll be on the bottom. Popping cork, not on the bottom, but not on the top. In the middle. And then I'll take 1 rod with a swim bait. Even though yesterday I didn't have any luck on the swim bait. None. It was all on live shrimp. So launch time's noon. I'm all ready to go, except just getting this popping cork rigged up. And hopefully, I'll get some sheep's head. That's what I really want to get. I wouldn't mind getting a redfish. But I really want a sheep's head. And if I get one big enough, I'll do a fish and cook. So, stay tuned for that. That's about it. I don't think the conditions are the best today. It's windy. It is windy, but I don't care. I'm not staying home. I am not staying home. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna anchor down. I might even bring a couple brewskis with me. Sit back, throw the lines out, hang out in the river, sip on brewskis. That's the worst that can happen. That's the worst that can happen, okay? So, I'm feeling pretty good about the day. All right, here we are. A little windy today. I'm gonna go up here and anchor down and fish this point right here. All right, let's throw this popping cork out. There you go. There you go. Just set it. Just set it. See what happens. What is it? Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, shrimp. Whoa! Where are you going, buddy? I don't know. I haven't seen it yet.
You're looking yet?
No. Whoa, dude.
He is green, son.
What are you? What are you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, dude. What is it? little bit. I mean, it's a 10-pound line. I don't want to lose them.
Right.
He's wearing out, I think. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Still can't identify it. What is that? Is that a trout?
Are you kidding? Or you're right, right.
I don't have a damn. What is, dude? What is that a gar?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
Oh my God, it's a gar.
Looks like it, yeah. Those are fun.
How do I get this guy off? Do they have sharp teeth?
Very.
Look at the size of them.
Holy shit. Yeah, he's sharp. Should have felt it.
How do I get this off? Okay, I see the hook. I see the hook.
He's about 4 foot long, isn't he?
Dude, he's huge. Oh my God, is he gonna bite me? Easy, fella. Oh. Hey. Holy shit. That was fun. Look what that gar did. Bent the hook. Look at that. All right, so threw my popping cork back out. Jeff's right over there. That gar was fun. That was fun catching that. Not what I'm looking for, but it was fun. That was a blast. Strong fish. Back at the point, went down there. That wind was too intense, so came back up here, anchored down, have the popping cork out. What was that? All right, I just had my popping cork taken underwater, but nothing was hooked up to it. But it definitely disappeared underwater. Alright, so I moved over here. Get some shelter out of the wind. I have something? On it. What is it? What is that? Is that a ladyfish? Is that a ladyfish? Alright, right, that's it. I'm done. Wish I could have got something else, but that gar fight was cool. That was worth it. That was cool, man. What happened? What is going on here? If you ever go sometime on Talquin for like freshwater, let me know.
Okay.
Because I would like to do it, but that is not my thing. I've been out there, caught some bass.
Since I got the kayak.
Yeah.